Hey Tyler, Mystical ORB, what's happening? Zest for a living, what is up? You're shorting the balls out of gold at open? Let's take a look at gold. Beautiful day. I called the top. Quite happy about that. I did capitalize a bit. Take a look at the gold. Yeah, gold is really trying to plummet down here. Can't believe how high gold actually is. Crushed it today, nice. Had a pretty good day. I did blow my trade day evaluation, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Yeah, that's kind of that's kind of my thinking, Tyler. I was just like, yeah, I took it was a little rough with the trade day, but yeah, overall it was a good day. All the funded accounts were green. I have a nice payout coming, daily payout. Boy, like you get these start. I'm gonna add another one, take profit trader, and just keep trying to build them to 5. But once you get them over the buffer and just I'm not really trading that heavily, but nice 600 bucks, 300. Obviously minus the 20%, but yeah, nice payday, nice daily payouts. So I made it to 2,058 on my funded account so far. The first time I've been able to take a payout. Nice. I'm building up my buffer since I now have it built. I will make another 2,500 first. Nice, Mystical RB. So you do you, but for me personally, if it's my first payout, I'm taking that. I'm taking that money. I'm taking that payout and getting another account. And but yeah, no, I hear you. Congratulations though. That is awesome. Guys, smash that like button if you're on your way in. Appreciate it. Yeah, especially the first payout. I love to lock in lock in those gains. Nice work, though. Hey, Daryl. Bradley's full port and gold longs. One stop. What's happening? Excuse me. setting up something first, guys. Bear with me. Hope everyone had a good day. Today was a great day. Beautiful weather. I went to the beach after I traded this morning. Everyone's piling in now. All right, let's go. Let's see. A couple inside bar plays today, later in the day. Yeah. So I ended up taking the majority of the trade I took was this outside bar drop. That was a nice one. But yeah, the first inside bar paid as well. So did this Harami. So nice. JD54, what's up? Be surprised if gold actually goes up, Bradley. Yeah. Hey, Coach Fred in the house. I don't. Oh, nice, Miss Scorby. I get you. I got you. Good for you, man. I trade inside bars, breaks, outside bar breaks, and Harami candle breaks. These purple ones. Offered. Hey Brandon, yeah, I got a $600 daily payout coming. It's my marketing, Brandon. It's my marketing. $150 a day for a payout. How hard can it be? Hey, Jonathan Trades, what's going on? Daryl, finding a nice green day. Nice, man. David. Tony Gold in the house. Is that a bear flag or what? Yeah, it's quite the day. I called it on Methodical's channel. I called the top. I did. It's official. Sorry guys, I haven't started the giveaway yet. Hold on, I haven't started the giveaway yet. Hey Hot Shot, what's going on? Back 23,000 Twilight Zone? Yeah, right back at it, for sure. Donnie Shipley in the house. Toy, what's going on? Anybody has a TPT favor been locked out of account? That's so weird, One Stop. You live in America? One stop. Nice, Tyler. I gotta activate some Bulanox Masters as well. Get back on some of those. Hey Corey, what's going on? Nice, very nice. Giveaways on Tuesdays? I just do random. I just do random giveaway. Guys, gotta smash that like button though. You gotta get over 100 likes at least. So yeah, so if I end up getting accounts to give away from you guys using my code PINE on Take Profit Trader, I hit my bonus, so I got my 2 free accounts. So I will give away some accounts. We'll give away one tonight, right now, at 8 p.m. Eastern. So the end of the stream. Or around 7:45, towards the end of the stream, we'll do it. I think tomorrow we'll do one for members only. For members only tomorrow. Hey Stefan, what's going on? Today was a good day. I did blow that trade day account, that eval, but yeah, nice daily payout, $600. Made $952 on this XFA that we got a payout on the other day. So got this account right back in the good standings. So it's right up to $2,800. And yeah, just building. My funded futures ended up, let's see, so what we do on my funded futures. I think I ended up about 600 on my Starter Plus funded account. And then I started trading starter accounts, evals, and I ended up hitting the DLL on those, trying to full port. There's the nice hot shot. Thank you, hot shot. Thank you, Sean. Discord link is on the top of the chat. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's completely free. MFF takes so long to update and getting funded. Really, Roman? Jeez, I think they're usually pretty fast. Usually like a couple hours after the market closes. But yeah, but yeah, oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah. It's a give or take, I guess. Instant payouts in my funded futures or the Top Step. I did get paid today, so it was about, let's see, I don't know, about 24 hours or so for the money to hit the bank. Well, actually, the money hasn't hit the bank yet. It's in Wise though, so yeah. Oh yeah, I guess roaming on the new dashboard, it's pretty quick. So if you're on the new Top Step dashboard, it's actually really quick. As far as if you pass an account, then you can get your express pretty quickly. But hey, his royal trades, what's going on? I went into the sim 4 weeks ago because I was just doing stupid stuff. I really like trading on the inside bar. Next week I'm jumping back. Nice, Francis. Good, I'm glad it can help. You're trying a mature approach to trading, Donna? Yeah. Wise payout is cheap too for the fee. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, so it went into the Wise account and then I transferred it over, so. Hey, Design, what's going on? Canal, what's happening? Alright, what am I going to trade? I think I'm going to trade my Apex accounts. Actually, I can trade these My Funded Future accounts. Market is open, guys. Good luck. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. We'll do a giveaway later in the stream. Towards the end. 50K take profit trader account credit. So pretty nice. Pretty nice. But we gotta get those likes up over 100 though. Or there will be no Moose Race. The Moose Race will be canceled. This kind of feels like we pop into these gaps, huh? How many counts am I trading? 3. So I got rebuild on these starter accounts, and I hit daily loss limit with them today. This one up here is funded. David, they won't. They say I have to pay for them, and then they'll give them. I have to pay for them first, and then they'll credit me. I'm like, I'll just give away cash. I'll just give away 15 bucks, and then you guys can buy an account. I'm not gonna go through them, and then it's weird. It's just weird, David. Halfway on the 25K, one last week. Let's go! Oh, cool, Andres. Yeah. Thank you, David. I appreciate it. Yeah, I mean, I pump them all the time, and I get no love. I do have the Velanox accounts going. I gotta activate. I got 3 master accounts to trade, I believe. Or 2. 2 passed. I gotta activate them though. They want their cut first, I know. I'm working on trying to get you some My Funded Future accounts too to give away. I'm working on it. We'll see. All right, little pop here. Start the, but boy, we had a nice little pullback. Basically though, the market was just unchanged. So it closed pretty much unchanged from what I saw. So just filled that yesterday's close. But yeah, the pop overnight. So I thought it was smoked in that Ninja Trader tournament because I was in and full port, but it liquidated me and I was left with $3,000. And then I hopped in the short here and rode it for the rest of the day. So wrote it down for the rest of the day. So I actually have a little bit left in that Ninja Trader tournament, but I literally have not even actively traded it. I've just been putting on the trade and then just leaving it. See where I'm at. Pull it up. I think I'm still down. Oh yeah, so I'm still in a short. So I'm up 9,000 on a short right now on this Ninja Trader tournament. I got in here at 177.25. So it's interesting. Just for fun. Pine is 50K account for Top Step Trader for 49 after use code Pine. No, Kanal. I don't have any affiliation with Top Step. I don't have any affiliation with Top Step at all. All right. I don't know. I'm not really expecting much, but I could see us pushing up here and at least trying to fill some of these gaps up here. That little end of the day MOC rug pull. No, there's no affiliations with Top Step. They know we still talk about them anyway. I just heard something. Hold on. False alarm. Top Slip X, yeah. I gotta get you up on my guys. Gotta get you up on my phone. Moose broke in, yeah. That's why you hear stuff out in the country when you live, when you can't see the main road from your house, and you hear something, and no one else is supposed to be home. And yeah. No one's supposed to be around. Let's see here. Pull you guys up. Call those gold inversion longs. Nice. Do we continue down? That is the question. Boy, these outside bars have been paying.
Order filled.
Just totally did that on the wrong account. Yeah, right around 23,000 canal. Yeah, it's probably right.
Order filled.
Oh, I put an inside bar on the MNQ. I didn't even notice. Interesting. I did not mean to take this on this count, but it is what it is. Just glad I'm in the micros. Headed right back down to 23,000.
Order filled.
Wow, I'm getting wicked lag on Trade Evade. Corey, is there a J-Mac in here? It's my nickname, is J-Mac.
Order filled.
If we get a little bounce here at the 23,000 level, see if we can hold it. Get out of this trade here, possibly.
Order rejected. Order filled.
Did he Mac trades? Yeah, for sure. All right, see if we can hold that 23,000 level. Yeah, I'm trying to work my way out of it now, Brandon, for sure. With the micros, 100%. I did not mean to go in with 3 off the rip on that account. But we'll see. If we break below 23,000, I'm just gonna hop out of especially this funded. I don't want to dig myself too big of a hole in the funded when I can just make it back and tomorrow, New York. But yeah, I didn't notice this inside bar either. Hey, Michael, what's going on? I was a bit scared on this round with Bielnox, but they paid. Let's go, Coach Fred. Congratulations. Well, if I had a big account, my short would have worked last night. Big money traps. Yeah, for sure. This was a massive trap this morning, honest take. Right here. We pushed straight up, took out the high, came right back down, and then this break and never looked back. And I was on Methodical's channel and I go, there's the top right there. And I'm just guessing, but I was right. I did get paid on the options, though. Option call. I sold the call spreads again. All right, if we break down too much, I'm gonna have to get out.
Looking.
Hard stop at 998 on this funded. $22,996. Oh, thank you, Toy. It's a good level. Hey, Keyhammer Trades, what's going on? How's it going? QQ in the house, what's happening? Over here playing around with the footprint indicator? Oh, nice. Nice, Keyamber. Doing pretty good. Not great. I ended up fat fingering this trade. I shouldn't even be in on this account, but that's okay. Trying to work my way out of it. Out of this trade. It's all good. Had a great day today. Some nice daily payouts. New York PM sessions just recently have turned every single trader into scalping mode. I know, for sure. All right, the Bulls are trying to hold that 23,000 level. See if it actually can do it. So I know a lot of you guys are familiar with Old Orchard Beach up here in Maine. I was down at Old Orchard Beach today. After stream, drove down there, had lunch. Not after stream, after trading. Drove down there, had lunch, walked around for a bit. Had a deep fried Oreo. I had to have the deep fried Oreo. So nice today. Very summery. Absolutely, Coach Fred. Absolutely. Yeah, it's a lot of French Canadians down there. There's a big sign when you're heading back north. So when you're leaving like the main street at Old Orchard Beach, it says Quebec, Montreal that way. Like go that way. There's a big sign. Brandon, I bought 2 and I dropped one on the ground, and I'm not joking. I went to bite it and it fell off the stick and it went right onto the ground. Almost worth picking up, but yeah, I only had one. Five-second rule? Ah, not down there. Holy cow. Old Orchard Beach is a lot of fun, but it is a party town. It's dirty. Yeah. Yeah, it was so disappointing. I was like that little kid that, you know, that has the ice cream cone and the ice cream falls off the cone. That's what I looked like. I literally stood there dumbfounded for a second. I was like, "Oh, come on." Trying to work out of this fat fingered trade here. As you tear up, I almost did, yeah. It was very sad. Rejecting off the VWAP. I feel like the Bears are in control right now. Getting tired of intraday drawdowns? Yeah, they're not easy. Triple M, I hear you. It's definitely a give or take. It's like you get cheap evals for intraday, but there's that catch side. Absolutely, I hear you. Hey Dominique, what's going on? Yeah, I had a great day today. They're in New York, but just not starting out too well right now. Just need a little pop, but it's got to get through that VWAP though, which makes me a little nervous. All right, get a little pop here. I might get a little lucky and get out of this trade. Hey, Red Candles, what's going on, buddy? Paid my bill and I was back and done some. Yeah, you were having a good night last night. Yeah, I caught part of that move as well. That big pop in the overnight. I caught a part of it. Funny thing is, I was actually over there looking at Stock Tiger. I was watching Stock Tiger's chart, and I saw it on the computer, and I just saw this giant green boner candle, and I was like, what the? So I ran over and looked at the charts, and I was like, nice.
Order filled. Order filled.
Taking off some risk there. A little DCA action getting me out of this trade, hopefully. We'll see. Hey, Spider Lily, what's going on? Yeah, NVIDIA is extremely important. What is the weight? Let's see. Yeah, I'm not really sure. It is heavily weighted in the NASDAQ, though, I believe. $7%. Thank you, One Stop. Appreciate that. Yeah, that's a lot. Think how awesome it would have been if you DCA'd hard. Yeah, I couldn't. It wouldn't let me anymore because of that stupid rule that they have with the micros to. So with the Starter Plus account, I believe it's they have that dumb micro rule. Still under the VWAP though. Hey Eric Lake, what's going on, buddy? It's good to see you. It's almost like last. Yeah, it's true. Logical. Rate back to 23,000. Yep. Rate back to 23,000. I don't like any of this. I think I might just close it all out.
Order filled.
I'm gonna reset. I'm just gonna reset.
Order filled. Cancelled.
I'm flat. I'm completely flat. I need to shake that trade off. Hey Bruce Lee, what's going on? Exclamation point Pine in the chat. We'll do a giveaway later in the stream. Nice bear flag right here, so look out below. There it goes. Almost called that to the T. Below 23,000 now. Testing that Asia low from yesterday. He is ripping to the downside. Limit orders longs 22,960. Nice. 23.90s. 970 next. Yep, there it goes. Woo! There we go. See what ES is doing now. Dropping a little faster than you want, yeah. Especially for Globex. Nice, just a nice continuation from close. Get a little bounce here at 973.75. There's definitely some room to the downside. Daily Harami. Hey, Biblical just swept PDL. It's Jeff A. What's happening? Which one would you choose? Let's see. 50K, 50% off. Take profit trader, 40% off. Which one would you choose if you only bought one? If you only bought one, I'd probably. Hey, G, have you ever gotten a payout before? Hey, Dave J, just closed at 1/2. Nice. Oh, you lost your 5 XFAs. Oof, that's rough, man. Sorry to hear that, Dave J. $3,600. Red candles, $3,600 for $1,000 payout. If you want to get max payout, it's what, $4,100. So that's $1,500. I think personally, G, my funded futures is a little bit easier to get a payout on. It's a little bit easier. And it's super lucky if you use code PINE to get the account. Stock up with apes. What's happening? 4C, what's going on? Good to see you, man. Always wrenching. What's happening? You like Project X a lot more? Yeah. But Take Profit Trader doesn't have Project X either. Got news to hold on buying until next week. Those supposed to be really good. Hot deals coming soon. I don't know. Red candles. I don't know. They don't let us know anything. It's really hard. Is it really that lucky if you're dropping your Oreos? Well, I used code methodical or MM when I bought those Oreos, and one fell right to the ground. I'm just saying. I got my discount, but I dropped that Oreo instantly. So. Hey J Mills, what's going on? Got some movement? Yeah, we do. You find my Fun of Views harder for a payout? Really? Well, I mean, as far as rules, you only need to make 5 days over $100, and you can get a payout. So it's not that bad. I mean, it's not easy, but compared to some, I do not like Project X and their end of day accounts too. You know, like. Oh yeah, sure, logical. Oh really, red candles? Yeah, I don't know. It was jealous of the moose poop. Yeah, that's right. Methodical it was. Trying to treat myself. Hey, Joey Morgan in the house. What's happening? Oh, but the soft breach. Well, Starter Plus doesn't have that. Doesn't have daily loss limits. If you guys are looking for that. Or the experts, but the Starter Plus does have that. Which what saved these accounts earlier today. Jeez, did we take this pop, man? We're awful bearish. I don't like it, but
Order filled.
we'll take it. I was looking for a scalp.
Order working.
For the stream. Now, I'm trying to look for the break of the inside bar. Real tight, pretty tight stop, but just horrible. Let's look for a quick scalp here.
Order working.
Hey, Corey the phone trader in the house. What's happening? Doesn't look pretty? Yeah, no, it doesn't, Eric. See what happens. I don't like that much. I don't like the push up. We got the 23,000 right there, psych level. We have the VWAP sitting right there. And overall, we're bearish. I don't really like the long, but I'm just trying to like get a little scalp in off this inside bar. So that's my thinking. Do I think we just pop and then just rip to all-time highs? No. Back to the VWAP. Music gives you Street Fighter vibes. Cool. Hey, Neo, what's happening? Exclamation point Pine in the chat, guys. Do a Take Profit Trader 50K account credit giveaway at the end of the stream. In about an hour or so. We'll do a moose race. Hey, B-Dub. What's happening? Could just keep doing this too. Bear flag, bust. Oops. Bear flag, bust. Bear flag, bust. Bear flag, break. George N, thank you for the sub. I appreciate you. 200 people, 220 people watching. Let's get those likes up, guys. For the moose race. Gotta get it at least over 100. Hey Bill, you got smoked by the ES, huh? Using the anchored CWAP, that's bullish. Yeah, Eric, could be. Hopefully, good luck. Hey, Jay Stores in the house. What's going on? Did I trade CPI this morning? No, actually I didn't. I didn't actually trade the news. I traded after. But yeah, look the like button, the moose poop button. Yeah. Yo, Jim. So yeah, we'll do a members only giveaway tomorrow. We'll do that tomorrow. Hey Zabak, what's happening? Let's see here. Yeah, PPI tomorrow. That is a good point. PPI tomorrow. Looking like another bear flag break, possibly. Can you trade Tradeify during news? I'm not really sure. I can look for you. Well, we just swept that previous candle. We might actually get this pop. Yeah, it says we do not have any rules against guidelines trading news events. Right from Tradeify website right there. So yes, you can trade the news.
Order filled.
All right.
Order cancelled.
A little scalp there. Back to the VWAP. Yeah, I'm long off my, I said it could be another bear flag, but I'm definitely I just went off the inside bar there. Just ain't right. Yeah, it is. It is bad news. Bad idea, Michael, for sure. I tend to do it with. I trade the news with cheap evals like Bulanox or something, but when it comes to the expensive ones like Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Tradeifys, yeah, I don't generally touch the news. Yeah, ERF. Exclamation point Pine in the chat, ERF. At the end of the stream, we'll do one, a 50K Take Profit Trader credit. I get them for free because you guys use my code Pine, and I give them away to you guys. I could keep them myself, but I'd rather give back. And so I got 2 of them. I'll do one tonight and then one tomorrow night for members only. We'll do a maybe a crab race for the members only again or something. Ooh, put in an outside bar here. You know what? I've been loving my outside bars lately. Do we get that continuation up? Do I try to get my funded account out of the red? Get a push up to the 12s. But I don't know. I don't know if we hold that break above the VWAP there. The VWAP. Maybe back to open red candles? Possible. We're only down about 22 points. You're a very crabby person. Yeah, we did it last time with the crabs. It was kind of funny. Dominic, you have 2 evil challenges to pass? Yeah. They are evil. I think you meant eval, yeah. Nice. Hey, Woodchip, what's going on, buddy? My favorite prop firm right now, Take Profit Trader. And that's because I've been getting daily payouts like crazy with them lately. Only goes up. Yeah, the daily pay. Once you get over the buffer with Take Profit Trader and are able to get daily payouts, I'm currently got 2 pro accounts over the 2,000 mark, and yeah, it feels great. I'm gonna work on another one too. Why do I trade with Trade Day? I'm trying to get, so they're also daily payouts, just ain't right. So they also have the daily payouts. So it's very similar to Take Profit Trader. So I figure if I can build up some Take Profit Traders, like to the max 5, and then get some trade days on top of that, and then get those over the buffer, and then be able to like 7, 8x some daily payouts, that'd be pretty sweet. The buffer on a 50K, $2,000. So anything over $2,000 for Take Profit Trader, you can take a daily payout. Yes, PO TR, yeah, exactly. So you get over 52,000 and with take profit trader in the intraday stops. Yep, exactly, Ben. It is essentially a cash account. It's like a cash ATM. You do pay the 20% fee, so you split it 80-20, but it's still worth it. And then, unless you go Pro Plus, I recently lost my Pro Plus account, but if you go Pro Plus, then it's 90-10 split. But it really adds up, guys. I got a $600 daily payout coming today, which makes, man, I must be 3,500, 4,000, getting close to 4,000 this month with daily payouts. Yeah, you can reset a funded account. I don't want to say your name. POTR. Yeah, you can. It's expensive though. $450 for a 25K, $650 for a 50K. So pretty expensive. It was better off just to start new evals. Still grinding up, but man, very bear flagish looking, huh? How's it doing that? Look at that. See what happens. But we could pop to the 212s. Where do we bounce off from? Doesn't really look like it bounced off any significant level. But does trade day work the same as the take profit trader daily payouts after the buffer? I believe so, Daryl. That's what I've been told. I was hoping to be able to get another funded account with trade day, but yeah, Anthony, it is for sure. Peter's fine? Alright, buddy. I'll try to remember that. Yeah, you can reset. So yeah, you can reset take profit trader accounts. And it is expensive. I have done it. But I will do it when the market conditions are correct, and I usually can get to daily payout on day one and pay for the whole account on the first day. Done it many times. Yeah, this is actually, I was gonna pull up my take profits, but this is on the Discord. This is what I did today. So anything over 52,000, so 2,000, get daily payouts on. So that was today. I believe yesterday, yeah, what was it? Did I post anything yesterday? I'm not sure. If you guys haven't joined the Discord, it's right up there at the top. I don't know if I posted anything yesterday. That's not it. It's pushing up there to the 12s there, the 3,012s. How long did it take me to pass the take profit trader accounts? So I actually kind of grinded that one account. I basically copy traded it with another account, but I usually pass them in like 2 days, and then you gotta flip like 3 days, 3 days, and then you have to flip for 5 days because you have to actually trade them for 5 days. So as long as you're under the 50% consistency, you can flip days, meaning just go in and out real quick, just to count for a day. Yeah, I usually go in 1 to 3 contracts and then hit 1500 on day 1 or so, and then I'll hit 1500 on day 2 or pretty close to, and then day 3 I might need a few dollars or something, and then. But yeah, I just get super patient and then just wait for like an inside bar or a harami that looks really good, and then I'll just kind of go in 1 to 3 contracts. But you can break it up too, you know, where you have to trade it for 5 days, you know. So if you just make, you know, $500-600 a day, try to, and then just do that for 5 days, and then next thing you know, you're pretty much past. That's what a lot of people do. Note dice is out. It doesn't, the trailing drawdown doesn't kick back in after payout because it goes right to back to 52,000. So from 52,000 down, it's static. Can you flip days with trade day? Not really. You have to stay within 30% consistency for 7 days. So that's the worst part about trade day to me, is the eval. You have to trade it for 7 days, but you know, just trade it correctly, slow grind it up, and you know, you can pass it. But then after that, they have some nice accounts, statics. They have some end of day accounts, and they have the intraday accounts. And currently, trade day is 40% off. Their intraday account is only $60 about. So if you use code PINE, capital P, with trade day. I was working on one and I blew it. I'm gonna get another one tomorrow and work on it again, unfortunately. Yeah, Ishmi, I have 3 minis. Yeah, I do. Is harami and inside bars my only strat? Well, I've recently started trading this outside bar, but no, I look at flags. I look at initial balance highs and lows for breaks, retests, initial balance high and low, and yeah, I mean, some overall discretionary too. I mean, let's be honest. You guys see me trading discretionary all the time on here. But yeah, pretty much. Oh, I also look at 945 candle on YM. I look at that, which is the Tom Hugard school run. And I also look at TPO charts on ES for my options trading. This is looking very bear flaggish.
Order filled.
Let's give it a shot. Hey TJP, what's going on? You do micro or mini to pass evals? Minis. Mostly. Sometimes during Globex and stuff, I'll trade micros if I don't like the spreads. Well, let's see.
Cooking.
What is the indicator I use for the harami candles? It's called Ed of the Woods Harami, right here. This is one of our subscribers that actually created this for us. But yeah, it's right here. Just passed a 150K take profit trader. Oh, nice. But today is my second day. Oh. So yeah, you have to be under 50% consistency, Omega. So you're gonna have to make a lot more money. A lot more money, unfortunately. How you color the candles? The yellow and the pink are indicators. So LDT, inside outside bars, and you can make them whatever color you want. But if you just want to change the colors, you just double click and you can just change them to whatever you want. You can change them to red for red candles. Like that. Woo! We'll go back to the gray. I gotta stop at 23.11. We'll see what happens. I'm on these My Funded Future starter accounts. These are evals. We'll find then red candles. Yeah, I used to have just black and white candles on a. Well, it was more like gray. I think gray and white. What did I have? I forgot. If you look at my early streams. Just take a look. But I used to trade white backgrounds, but for the stream, I decided to save you guys' eyes and stop doing that. Yeah, this is my old. This is from an old stream 7 months ago. I got a whole 14 views on it. But yeah, look at that, blinding. It's funny. All right, do we get stopped out here? Let's see. Not looking good. Hey, Chris. I usually stream 6 to 8 every night. Yeah, Wesley, you had a good day. I had a good day today. The only casualty I had was a trade day eval. So all the funded accounts were green. I got a nice $600 daily payout coming from Take Profit Trader. So keeping that streak alive. And Yeah, it's pretty good. Ended up catching the drop. Put in this outside bar. Ended up catching the quick drop here. I was taking some heat though. And then ended up profiting. But yeah, it was a pretty good day. Ended up taking this Harami candle break on some accounts. And the first inside bar, I didn't even trade because I was all done trading. Within the first hour, I was done today. But yeah, it was a pretty good day, man. Hope you had a good day. Hey George, what's happening? Chris caught me a match show earlier. Sweet. See, my marketing worked. Sub-Zero, do I stream during New York? Not so much. Not so much. And the reason for that is because I don't get any views. It's literally, there's no views. I get like 10 views, 14 views. So, kind of, I think once the channel grows, you know, I'll probably switch up the times, but, you know, people just expect me on for Globex 6 to 8. And sometimes I'll stream a little bit longer, but lately I go and help out my old man at 8 o'clock and get dinner and stuff at his house and help out with the kids, things like that. Oh, nice, Wesley. Yeah, the one and done's are great. Yeah, it was pretty much a one and done for me today. Well, a few and done. But yeah, I was done within the first hour and then went to the beach. Had a burger and a beer.
Stop filled.
All right, I stopped out there on that inside bar. Yeah, smash that thumbs up, Wesley. I'll check out your stream later. Appreciate it. It's down slightly, 124 bucks. 100 on that funded. I was trying to go for that little bear flag break, but put in that inside bar, and I was like, oh no. So the bulls haven't gone away yet. Exclamation point Pine in the chat, guys. We'll do a take profit trader 50k credit here and towards the end of the stream, so about 45 minutes or so. We'll do a moose race. We gave away cash last night. TJP won some cash. I'm sure he bought some accounts with code Pine with the cash. All right, might just continue to push higher here, take back. I mean, we're only at six points from the open here, the close. Does anyone know? I'm not trying to start any rumors or anything, but does anyone know why Stock Tiger has a second channel? I just found him last night, like his second channel. Like, why did he start a second channel? OnlyFans. Stock Tiger. The king of the Asia session. Yeah. I thought he was on vacation or something. I'm like, oh, Stock Tiger's on vacation. And then, so I never even, because I'm usually tuning in after I'm done streaming. I'll hop on because he's on late. YouTube strike? Oh, okay. Oh, no kidding. Oh, okay, guys. Cool. Huh. Oh, no kidding. Oh, okay, just a trader, huh? Yeah, interesting. Thanks, Wesley. You the man. Appreciate it. I can't believe it. I can't believe the growth. It's just amazing. I really appreciate it, guys. It's awesome. I wasn't aware that there was no activation fee in Take Profit Trader. Oh no, green trump red. Wait, you paid $130 for each of my last 7 pro activation. Now I have a $730. What do you do with them? I don't know. Well, one thing Green Trump Red is that you could actually, so when you get credited for 50 for for spending money, you know how you get credits. So you get 25k credits, 50k credits. Or like if you win this credit, then you're gonna have to pay an activation fee. So if you pass those accounts, so you could use it for that. TJP says he emailed them and he got the money back. So it might be worth a shot. Might be worth a shot. But yeah, Take Profit Trader doesn't have lately it's been no activation fee, but it's not like that all the time. And 40% off, no activation fee is generally the best deal that they run. So you can use the credits at purchase. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I have no idea, Great Trumpet. Yeah, but just be aware that the support might be a little slow. Just saying. They are a little little slow. What would the Moose say about it full time? Yeah. Now we breaking down. We broke up above, took out, grabbed some volume up here. Now we might push back down. I don't know. Or are we going to do exactly what we did the last 3 nights? Had a nice move up until 7, came right back to the VWAP, and then just went right sideways for the rest of the night. Or not the rest of the night, rest of our stream. That's exactly what it did before. So we'll see. Hey, Eric's back. You have to hit the reset account and then check and see if the credits are last. Oh, okay, Sean. He's just stuck on the volume nipple. It'll move for you later, yeah. Yeah, Tokyo Open. For sure. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you guys want to join the Take Profit Trader giveaway. 50K. Must have a Take Profit Trader email or sign in though. You don't need an account, you just gotta have an account. You don't have to have an active account, just make sure you have a sign in for the account. A login, I should say, a login for Take Profit Trader. Starting to break down here. If you go to the well one more time. Whoa! There we go. Some news just popped maybe. Hey Patch, what's happening? How was your day? Little 20-point rug pull there. Oh man, you went on tilt patch? Yeah. Yeah, it happens. It's an out-of-body experience, I tell you. True tilt for me means there's no account that's safe. I will start going after every single account I have. And after the smoke clears at the end of the day, you go, what the heck was that? Trump's talking about Powell? Yeah. Hey, John. John Walk in the house. What's up? It's like a fever dream when you wake up. It's like, the fuck did I do? Yeah, I know. Absolutely. I've done it with real money, guys. Real money. Like, my largest losing trade, is $30,000. I lost $30,000 in one day. Real money. My largest winning day was around 28,000. So I haven't beaten my largest losing day yet. I like doing it so options shown. An options, yep. Hope I get to 50K this year. I'm well over 50K in payouts this year. I'm well over that. I'm not sure where I'm at, but yeah, it's definitely on the I'm on the way. I'm going way up now. The equity curve is. I'm on the other side finally, but yeah, back a few years ago, it was nasty. 30K, and I've told this story before. And then I like doing it so much that I ended up doing it a week later. I lost another 30K. So 60K total in about, I don't know, Less than 10 days. Oh, 50K single day, Mr. Smith? Yeah, that would be amazing. Nice, Alfred. Yeah, would have been a fun pit trader. You would have had to held me. You had to put me on your shoulders, John. They wouldn't have been able to see me. I'm too short. What's going on, Alfred? Oh yeah, Sean, it happens, man. Three daily grind set. 3. Nice, Alfred. Dudes wear platform shoes. That's funny. Is Yo Jim here? I think he was here earlier. Yeah, he's here. Yo Jim's hanging out. You haven't seen Uncle Mo in a while? I haven't seen Uncle Mo in a while either. I hope he's doing all right. I haven't seen Uncle Mo in a while. Maybe he's on summer break. I'm on year 1, just passed my first funded after 6 tries. Let's go, Daily Grind. Congratulations. I'll say something like, I haven't seen Uncle Mo, and he'll come in with a big super chat. If you lurking. But no, I haven't seen him. Hope he's doing good. Alright, yo, Jim. See you in a little bit. Yeah, that's great, Alfred. Yeah, I agree. Alfred's a savage trader. He's got the Pro Pluses going, the Take Profit Trader Pro Pluses, which I should try to work on. But man, as soon as I get to see those daily payouts, I gotta take them. Something in me. I should try to build them up a little bit, but I don't know. But that extra 10% is worth it. You haven't seen him around in 0 Day J's either? Oh, huh, Sean. He hangs out in Smooth Traders. So, if you guys know Smooth Trader, he's hanging out in his chat. He's a mod in there. I think I made him a mod in this channel too. I mean, he's definitely helped me out big time with the donations for sure. So, very thankful for him. Very generous person. I have 150K Take Profit Trader that I'm going to have transferred tomorrow. So. Yeah, that actually might be a good idea, Alfred. Maybe I'll work on a 150K. Try to get that one up. Have I ever used TradeSyncer? No, I have not. I'm kind of waiting on some other people to use it. We do have some people in the chat that have used it. Nate, one of our subscribers, has been using it. I know Cove Trader's been trying it out. So, yeah, I'm thinking about it because I would like to copy trade some accounts because, like I was talking about earlier, I feel like I've been trading pretty well, but I've been trading too much because I have too many accounts and I've been trading them separately. So I don't know. So I'd like to maybe like group them with some copy traders, whether it's Replicanto or TradeSyncer or something. And once I give them a shot, and then maybe I'll partner up with them if I like them. Been using it for the last week. It's really good for multi-platform. I'm about to go and pay the subscription. So, Cripwalk, now do you use bracket orders? if you use bracket orders, I've heard that it can get pretty glitchy if you try to move the bracket. If you don't keep it static, and if you try to move it, so like if I place an order with a bracket, and then you try to move it like this, and then you let it go, it can get a little wonky. But I don't know. That's just what I heard. Tyler says don't use the brackets. Yeah, that's what I heard too. Nate in our chat was using it. Cool, Tyler. Yeah, get it straightened out for us, bud. That's the biggest thing that I want to be able to do is use the brackets. Yeah, you just execute and watch the charts. Yeah, cool. Yeah, for now, if you guys, you can use Tyler's trade syncer if you guys are using trade syncer. He has a code. What's the code for your trade syncer, Tyler? Yeah, they definitely have some things coming out. I heard John, My Fund Futures, but I'm not 100% sure what it is. Oh, so use Quantower for the lead and then copy the trade syncer. Interesting. Yeah, they have some stuff that did announce. They're coming out with 5 accounts. So you're going to be able to trade 5 accounts with My Fund Futures in the future. They did announce that, so pull up I'm looking for it, but maybe they took it down. Yeah, right here. This is from the CEO, Matt. Says 5 accounts coming, 100K sim cap coming, no DLL on any plans, no sim funded consistency rules coming, and under $80 plan coming. So very soon. So that's from My Fund Futures. That was posted June 30th. So there's some changes coming for sure. Does it mean you can get unbanned? Yeah, I don't know, Andreas. Yeah, I don't know. Get a little pop off that inside bar. I missed it. I was messing around on the chat there. This one did not pay very well. Right back to the VWAP, right back to 23,000. This is a repeat of last night. This is exactly what I did last night. See the overnight? Same time? Same station? Look at this. This is exactly what we did last night. This is 6 p.m. Eastern. We dropped, came right down right back to the VWAP, and then we just chopped until we got this. And then the degenery started. All right, Alfred, I'll see you later, man. See you tomorrow. But yeah, kind of crazy that it's literally a repeat of last night. Maybe we'll get a giant pop too, or drop like we did last night too. Exclamation point pun in the chat. Is my strat different for the Asia and New York? It kinda is, but not really, Patch. No, I'm looking for inside bars, outside bars, and harami candles. Sometimes I'll do a little more scaling in during the Globex as opposed to New York, because New York moves so quick that usually the breaks are really fast and I don't have to scale. That's the thing with NASDAQ, is that sometimes you don't have to be right on the direction and still make a winning trade on a scalp. If that makes any sense, you know. I mean, the market could be bearish and you could go long and still, when NASDAQ's doing this, like, you can still get a scalp. But yeah, for the most part, I'm just trading off these levels here. Trying to. Hey, thank you for the sub, TJ Hook. Yeah, I keep it pretty simple, Patch. When's the Genius Bill? Don't want to get caught short passes tonight. I have no idea, JJ. You do high lots opening candle. I have traded the volatility of the opening candle around the open too, with brackets. I have one of my first payouts ever. I think it was one of my first payouts, was trading around the volatility of the opening candle, looking for quick ORB type trades. That was a while ago, but I don't really do those anymore. Back in the good old days of Apex, when you could make 2,000, make 2,600 and get $2,000 payout. The good old days. Now is in the 1 minute. Yeah, Daily Grind said, yeah. Yeah, some people have some, there is definitely strategies to, what's different now on Apex, it's 2,600 and withdraw 600, right? 2,600 and withdraw 600, I believe. Or make 2,000 and withdraw 600 or something. I can't remember what it is. 500. TJP says 500. Snapcuts, these are, yeah, this one's funded. These are 2 evals. 3 evals and 1 funded. Estimating when the race is coming, I'm gonna do it in about 10 minutes. What's an ORB trade? Opening range break. So when people say ORB, so a lot of times they'll use the first 5-minute candle. So like this one, which was a beautiful ORB break. So first 5-minute. Some people use a 3-minute, the very first 3-minute opening range break. Some people use a 15-minute opening range break. So like this is New York Open, right? So first 15-minute opening range. Yeah. And they just look for breaks, just like the inside bars. They just look for the break. Some will look for the break, come back and retest, and then try it. But yeah, I mean, 1-minute ORBs. Yeah, there's all kinds of different ones. But the most popular ones is the 5-minute and the 15-minute. Those are the most popular ones. What country am I from? The U.S. I live in the state of Maine. I prefer to trade New York. I trade Asia this time for the stream. How do you work your bracket orders? Are they not active for copy trading? So I just do it with individual accounts. See, Mark. Individual accounts. If I'm doing something like that, if I'm playing the volatility, but yeah, I'm not doing it copy trading it across multiple accounts. Yeah, it sucks with Tradeovate that they don't. You can't copy trade with the brackets, the ATM brackets. It's the dumbest thing. Like, they need to fix it. They're talking trash to Top Step. They need to go fix that. It's been like that. And you know they could do something, fix that. It'd be sweet. I do not copy trade all accounts. I copy trade within the firms. So like if I have like say 5 Apex accounts, I'll copy trade them. If I have like 3 My Funded Futures accounts, I'll copy trade them. Like probably 4. Bulanox same way. I'll copy trade them. But I don't copy trade everything together. I want to see Maine and trade the New York Open. Yeah, Maine's beautiful in the summer, fall, spring, and winter. If you like winter, then it's nice then too. But a Wolframi course sale? Never. Well, I'll never say never, but no. No courses. Just you guys being here is just enough payment for me. Using the code PINE, smashing the like button, hanging out. You guys can be anywhere and you're here hanging out. It's amazing. ORB was the first thing I learned from that. Max, dude, not really consistent for me working on trend lines. Oh, nice, Chris. Yeah, I like trend lines too, especially for gold. I used to do that a lot with gold, with the trend lines, little trades by Slade style, or Tory trades too. Does it with metals, but. Yeah, if you guys want to join the Discord, it's our Discord right here. It's completely free. It's pinned to the top of the chat. What are your top 3 props to get paid? So my top 3 prop firms currently right now, I would say Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Top Step, I do like Tradeify too, Bulanox, Apex, probably in that order. Apex, Bulanox, I keep rate about the same. for me personally. But yeah, I like all those. Trade day. But yeah, my top three, I would say Take Profit Trader is number one for me. And then My Funded Futures and Top Step. Although I got 6 payouts from Buellanox last month, so I do not hate them. I need to activate my master accounts and get that rolling again, but I've just been having fun with my Take Profit Trader accounts lately. Don't tell Alpine, but you're a nicer Pine. I love Alpine. Alpine's a member of this channel. Definitely, Alpine is an inspiration for sure. Has anyone been paid by trade day? Yeah, for sure. I have not. That's the only one that I'm affiliated with that I haven't got a payout from is trade day, but I will change that. Should we long? I don't know, Thanasis. I think, I don't know, it's just tough. I feel like we're just gonna kind of do this through the VWAP for a bit, but yeah. Long one micro, good luck, Tully. Nice full time. Yeah, I know, Corey, it's all good. Alpine's the man. Oh, you're a mod on this channel too, aren't you, Corey? I think you're a mod on this channel. Yeah, I credit Alpine all the time for like helping me get over that psychological barrier about getting payouts. I don't think many people have been trading with them, Tom's us. Has anyone gotten payouts with trade day? I believe Coach Fred and Alfred left, but I believe them guys are getting payouts. But I know Tom that Take Profit Trade. We are pushing up. Nice call out, guys. But I haven't heard any issues with trade day not paying out. Is Buellanox funded accounts have a static drawdown after reaching buffer, or does it work like if you make 52,100, does the drawdown still trail? No, it stops. Snapcuts 52,100, it stops. How do I put the VWAP on the chart? It's right here. CE VWAP. I use this one, the VWAP. It's in the community indicators. So you just go down the community indicators, and then just type in VWAP. I use this one here. Yo, Cove, what is up? Exclamation point Pine in the chat. We'll do the moose race here soon. Matter of fact, I'm gonna start getting it fired up. Let's see. Be a lot of moose. A lot of Mises. Must be here to win too. So not the indicator icon. Yeah, you gotta go to CE tools, but you gotta CE VWAP, but you gotta go to the Explore Community Indicators. So right here, and just type in VWAP, and it's right there. And then you install it, and yeah, be right there. Cool, Cove. Do I have a favorite eval passing strategy? Nope, not really. I'll just wait for like an inside bar, usually around the New York Open when there's lots of volatility. And so like if I'll look for an inside bar or a outside bar or Harami, and I'll go in full port 1 to 3 minis usually. With Bulenox accounts, something like $15, 75 cents, I'll just go in 7 contracts off the open, like kind of guessing the direction or something. That's just the truth, because you know, if I can just pass it as fast as possible for $15.75, like I don't really care about it. But yeah, more expensive accounts like My Funded Futures and Take Profit Trader, things like that are over $100 a pop. You know, I'm not gonna just flip a coin really and then full port. I'll wait for a proper setup and then I'll go in heavy. But yeah. Top 1 step or top step or top Chris, I'm not sure. Top step or top 1? Maybe top 1. Top 1 I've never used, so I don't know. All right, guys. So 7:55, so 2 minutes. I'm gonna stop the giveaway thing, and we'll do the moose race. So 2 minutes. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Top 1 step. I never heard of top 1 step. Maybe it's new. Never heard of them. Hey, ProFast Guy, appreciate you so much. Thank you so much, ProFast Guy. Yo, Jim. He said he would be back. So exclamation point pine in the chat, guys. You got about 20 seconds. I'm gonna close the entries. Oh, top one futures. Yeah, top one futures I've heard of, but I've never used. Yeah, 91% off. Fuel Knox. Use code PINE. 80% off Apex. Use code PINE. All right, it's closed. Sorry if you didn't get it in. All right, here we go. Refresh. Just letting this, wow. It's gonna be a big race, guys. All right, let me shut down some browsers. Here we go. Good luck. Past one, Buellanox made a couple trades off close to 10 p.m. today. Yeah, it should come, ProFast Guy. Yeah, it should be. It might be a little bit slower, but yeah, it'll come. It's usually pretty quick. All right, Dean Bishop. So many Mies. So many Mies. 210. Ooh, someone's coming up in the rear. I see it. Look at this. Whoever this is. Oh, from the outside. Making the move. Stefan. Are you here? All right. Congratulations. Let's go. Stefan, first question. Are you part of the Discord? You don't have to be, but... Congratulations. Let's check out the... top three there. See who finished last. Piano Trader. His Royal Trades bringing up the rear. Dice is out one stop, going down in the last. In the last play, down in the bottom. Yeah, Stefan, sure. Not yet. If you have Discord and you can join the Discord, it's right on the top. And that way I can message you. It makes it really easy. So that way I can just DM you. If you can do that. If you have a Discord. If you don't, then we can do it another way too. But that's a lot of moose knuckles. Yeah. All right, Red Candles. Appreciate you, man. Pinned right to the top of the chat. I'll post it right here too. I'll post it again. How do I do the moose race? I copy and paste them through the, I copy and paste and use online stopwatch. All good, Stephen. Yeah, it's all good. Hey, thank you, His Royal Trades. Appreciate you. Tokyo Open. Joined up. Cool. I would imagine this is you right here. The shoe. All right, cool. I'll DM you. And that's going to do it for me tonight, guys. I appreciate it. Appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for using code PINE, Bulanox, Apex. PINE, all caps, Take Profit Trader to help support my channel. And My Funded Futures, PINE. And Trade Day, PINE with a capital P. It's a little bit of a pain in the butt, but yeah, it's capital P for Trade Day. Yeah, smash that like button on your way out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for sure. We'll do it again. We'll do another giveaway for members only tomorrow. So members only giveaway tomorrow, and we'll run that at the end of the stream tomorrow night. So I'll run it for the members. I'll turn on the members only chat, and we'll do the giveaway for the members only. So, all right, guys, I appreciate you. Stefan, I'll message you right now. Peace, guys. Appreciate you.